Hey everybody! In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give access to your Facebook business page. Whether you want to add an admin, employee, moderator, or intern, this is the new way of giving access to a Facebook business page. If you're still using the classic Facebook page, this process won't work. I have tutorials on my channel for that. But if you're using the new Facebook page experience, follow these steps. First, you need to switch into the Facebook page you want to manage. Make sure you see the page name here. Once you're on the right page, click on Settings on the left, scroll down, and click on Page Setup. Then, click on Page Access. Here, you'll see everyone who currently has access to the page. There are three options: Facebook Access, new name for Admin Access; Task Access, more limited; and Community Managers can moderate chat comments, suspend, and remove people. To add someone, click on Add New. Then Next, and enter the name or email of the person. After selecting the person, choose their access level. For example, if you want them to create comments and reply to messages, moderator role, select that option and click on Give Access. They will receive an invitation to become a manager of the page. That's how to give access to someone on a Facebook business page. Thanks for watching.